You know, I would really like some more practice with this new material, especially with the test coming up in a few weeks.
Yeah, me too. I'm gonna go to the P2L session today.
Oh yeah, I've heard people talking about that a lot recently. What is P2L exactly?
It stands for peer-led learning. It's basically a structured study session led by a peer coach who's taken the class before. You should come. Now let's hear from some peer coaches who can tell us more about P2L.
So every week I plan out P2L sessions with collaborative activities for students where they can work on the material from class. And since I attend the class regularly during the semester, and since I have also taken the class myself, I have a really good idea of exactly what's happening in the class, as well as I'm also able to bring my own personal experience into my sessions.
In P2L, we get the opportunity to speak with faculty and have meetings with them so that we can coordinate lessons and make sure that we're emphasizing key topics and topics that students usually struggle with so that they can have the best opportunities to learn.
Attending P2L is a great way for students to get extra practice, stay on top of the material, and be successful in the class. Let's hear from some students about their P2L experience.
P2L is different than a lecture in the sense that a peer from UVA goes a little bit more beyond what you would learn in a generic classroom and provides a sense of community to talk about what you've been learning in that classroom with other students who are interested in going beyond to go deeper in their understanding of that concept.
I'd call it more of a group environment than just listening to a lecture, because we review quickly and then we go straight into working as a group and with everyone else where we can learn with everyone. I've kind of found my own group and I actually keep in contact with some of the people outside of P2L.
From attending the P2L sessions, I really learned how to collaborate with other people in classes that aren't so collaboration focused. I've learned how to be organized for the classes for the next week and how to tie together all of the curriculum so that I feel best prepared for my exams.
And the practice problems are usually challenging in P2L. So, and usually what I found from the first midterm, it's kind of more challenging than the questions on the midterm. So it allows you to truly understand these concepts.
For me, a big part of learning is not just doing things because I'm told to do it that way. It's for understanding why those things are happening, why I'm being told to do it this way. And in P2L, I'm free to talk to the person leading the session. I'm free to talk to the classmates that are around me to get a better understanding of that concept. This has happened multiple times where other students have come to me asking, well, why is it this way? And I would do a little bit of explaining, and I would do the same thing with them.
I go every Sunday, so having that habit almost of going really makes it so that I am able to get as much out of it as I can, and it never feels like it's something I'm adding on to my week. It's just the thing I go to every weekend.
I would say attend every single one. Even if you don't feel like it on a Sunday or a Monday night, just go, because at the end of the day, you're gonna thank yourself. Reach out to whoever is leading the P2L. Use them as a resource. They're here to help you. Reach out to your peers. Do the problems when you're here. Ask all of your questions. Just really use all of the resources you have, and P2L is the biggest one.
Hey, I'm Jim Rolfe. I'm in the math department. Come on by my office sometime and say, hey, I'd love to meet you. I also teach in our introductory calculus sequence. And one of the things that I know is that P2L sessions are terrific. If you go attend these things, they're weekly. One of your peers who has taken the course before you will be there having prepared things that they know will help you get ready to succeed in this course. If you're behind a little bit, come to P2L. If you're ahead a little bit, come to P2L. The reality is, if you have a good instructor, sometimes you'll walk out of class and you think, hey, I got it. But you don't really know until you start doing something with the material, and that's exactly what's going to happen in P2L sessions. Come by, they're terrific. I highly encourage your participation.